Welcome to Science Sundays. I'm Kenzie. This is my kitchen lavatory. We're going to be talking about science behind the baking. We will be baking a cake in today's demonstration. First, we will preheat the oven to 350 degrees. This will achieve the Maillard reaction. That is the interaction between the fats and amino acids. They give the cake a nice sweet aroma and flavor. In the dry ingredients, we have lavenders, which is baking soda and baking powder. They release carbon dioxide and helping the cake rise and be fluffy. Now we will mix all our dry ingredients together. Now we're gonna mix in the oil that keeps the cake moist. Now I'm gonna pour in the H2O. This is the H2O, aka water. Now it's time for the eggs. The eggs play an important part. They contain emulsifier that breaks up the oil into tiny droplets and helps the ingredients mix together. Without the eggs, the cake would be lumpy. This is fun. Now I'm gonna give it a quick whisk. Now we're gonna spray some of the oil so the sugary batter does not stick to the pan. Now we will sprinkle a little bit of flour to make the oil make a crunchy outer layer. Now here's the fun part, pouring the batter into the pan. Getting all the good stuff. 350 degrees is the perfect temp to cook the inside evenly and keeps the outside of the cake from burning. Now comes the delicious part. We're gonna ice the cake. This video is not sponsored yet. Pillsbury is my favorite. Okay. That's good. That's good icing. Oh, it smells so good. Done. That's all for today. Join me next time at Science Sundays. Now that's how the cake crumbles.